Subscribe to our YouTube channel Raven Vlogs and please press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you. Hello and welcome you all. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about recently I visited to the Kula market and you can check the shop of the light. I want to mount an extra light on my bike. For this video I'm showing you how can I mount extra light on my bike. Each and everything I will tell you in details. So guys, you have to watch the videos till the end, and if you are new subscriber to this video, so please subscribe to my channel for latest update. I will give you each and everything. So this is Kula market. Recently I have visited and I have already taken extra light from there, and I will mount it over Kula market itself only. So I will show you in the videos each and everything, guys. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video till the end.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So I hope you guys will like this video. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Raven Vlogs for more updates, and I will give you the recent whatever I do modification, each and everything I will give you updates. And if you have any question regarding this, you can comment to my comment sections. And if you are new to this video, so guys, please subscribe to my channel for more updates I will give you regarding daily or whatever video I will get regarding this bike. Definitely I will share with you guys. If you have any questions, please comment, and please like and please share this video so other else also can see this video. Okay guys, thank you, see you soon in next video. Thank you.